So what do we need for this?
The chemistry for chlorination is really simple, and before I go any further, really simple doesn't mean really safe. It means really simple, and either it'll work perfectly, or if you screw it up, you will be dead before the ambulance gets there.
All right.
Nobody takes simple to mean safe.
All right.
Now, the chemicals you use are muriatic acid,
Acid?
which is commonly
Damn.
available at the hardware store for cleaning brickwork and working in your swimming pool.
All right. It looks like water.
Yes, well, this is actually acid diluted with water because I don't need it as strong as cleaning acid. I just need it as a chemical to liberate the chlorine in the other ingredient, which is chlorine bleach.
And so you have...
So the first thing I do is dilute it. So this is 1/10 of the normal strength.
Okay. So it's like 50 milliliter acid and 450 milliliter water. Okay.
And when diluting acid, always start with the water and add the acid. If you add water to acid, it boils and sprays up in your face and melts your skin off.
Oh shit!
Yeah. So
wait, you didn't learn that the hard way, did you?
No, actually, I learned that from a limerick in the Sergeant Welsh Chemical Supply Catalog in junior high school.
Okay, all right.
The other ingredient is just standard household bleach, which is a source of chlorine.
Okay.
So what we're going to do, we get the proportions right. We mix it in with a bunch of water. So this is just a bucket with 2 gallons of water in it. If we get the proportions right on this, when you mix, you put the bleach in first, get it swirled around, get the suit ready to put in there. You're going to pour in the acid, and immediately the acid and the bleach react and produce common table salt and chlorine gas. So, like I said, it's simple, but it is not safe.
Do this outside.
Yeah, so I do this outside. I do this with ventilation.
Don't put your... Okay.
I do this with a full gas mask,
Wow.
with a long hose, and put the filter over my back because that gets it further away from the...
Fumes.
It'll work just fine right up close there. You could lean right into it with one of these things, but the filter lasts a lot longer if it's taking in less chlorine.
Okay.
So it just puts it over my shoulder and gets it out of the way.
Wow.
So
that's all the
swirl it up.
ingredients.
Yeah, and then you just swirl it up, you put it in there, plunge the suit into it. Run. If you want, you can use elbow-length gloves. They're not essential if you're not doing a lot of it, but chlorine can stain your hands and your fingers, and your fingernails may turn a bit colored for a few weeks. So you don't have to, but it's not a must-do for safety.
Do you do gloves usually?
Usually.
Okay. So do you have your gloves out?
No, they're around the corner.
Okay, cool.
So, but then we're just going to put it in there and then slosh it around for about 5 minutes. By that time, all of the chlorine will have reacted with the surface of the rubber. And what it does, the rubber is very grippy and has lots of ends of molecules sticking out. And the chlorine reacts with those and turns it into just a smooth, hard surface. Only a few mils thick, but it stops it from being grippy. It's just a smooth, hard surface, so it slides over you and slides over itself really easily.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
So for chlorination, if I do end up with a hole in this, or I need to re-glue it, now glue does not stick to the chlorinated latex, right?
Right. That surface is very hard and not porous, so you'll take very fine sandpaper. It's just like doing the patching a bicycle tire. You know, when you sand the surface to rough it up first, and what you're actually doing is you're breaking that very smooth surface that's hard and re-exposing underneath it just a few molecules down, really, the rubber that hasn't been chlorinated. So then glue will work normally, and then you can just re-chlorinate this. That is finished reacting. There's nothing left in there but salt.
Oh, okay.
So I'll just pour it down the drain.
So it's sodium and water? Or?
Yeah, sodium chloride.
Okay.
Yeah. The sodium out of the bleach is sodium and chlorine, and the acid is hydrogen and chlorine. So
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you end up with this sodium chloride.
And so that's safe for the environment? And
Yeah. It's very simple chemistry. It's just not safe while it's active.
Just like salt water, basically.
Yeah, literally. It's just, and not even all that much.
Yeah, okay.
It's probably a tablespoon or so of salt in it at most.
Wow, okay, so really diluted salt water.
Yeah, it's just that the chlorine is so active when it's just chlorine gas that you don't need very much of it.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's, when that's fresh solution, it was 1,500 parts per million of chlorine gas. So it's less than 1%, just a fraction of a percent.
Wow, okay.
It's just really, really potent stuff.